Hello, in this video I will show you how to use the ARMember integration with BookingPress. Go to the BookingPress Add-ons page. This is the BookingPress Add-ons page. Here you can see the BookingPress add-ons and modules. Now activate the ARMember integration. Integration activated successfully. Go to the ARMember Manage Members page. This is the Manage Membership Plans page. Here, you can see the plan list. You can also add a new plan or edit an existing plan. This is the Platinum Plan page. Scroll down to the bottom. Enable the BookingPress discount option. Here, you can see the BookingPress services. Now, select the services for which you want to allow discount purchases. Here, you can see two types of discounts: percentage and fixed rate. Enter the discount rate and set the quantity. After configuring all the settings, click the Save button. Changes saved successfully. Now, go to the front-end side. This is the ARMember Setup Form page. Here, you can see the membership plans and the current membership. This user has already purchased the Platinum plan. Now, go to the Book Appointment page. This is the BookingPress Book Appointment page. Now, book a service according to your requirements. This is the summary page. Here, you can see the default discount. This discount is the ARMember discount. Now, select the payment method and click the Book Appointment button. As you can see, the appointment has been booked successfully. Now, go to the back-end side. Open the BookingPress Appointments page. This is the Manage Appointments page. Here, you can see the appointment records. See, the first record is the newly booked appointment record. Now, open the BookingPress Customize page. Here, you can change the ARMember discount label. Now, click the Save button to save the changes. Now, go to the front-end Book Appointment page. Now, book a new appointment again. Here, you can see the default discount label has been changed. Now you can see the new ARMember discount label. That's it. This is how the BookingPress and ARMember integration works.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.